when you see how you sustain yourself even during the deep sleep. Just 1 or 2 nights when you fall asleep, focus, decide consciously to have access to the whole sleep and what is happening inside you during sleep. That one can reveal so many things. That conscious access can make you healthy because you can rebuild the body, can make you beautiful because you can change the shape and size, any dimension as you want. You can learn to sustain everything in your life. Conscious. That is the power of Parandhama, Mahavishnu.